Now, Kolkata police have banned gatherings around the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata for 7 days amid protests against the rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor. Now, the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a diktat to all states asking them to submit reports on law and order situations every 2 hours. A team of 5 experts from the CBI CFSL is conducting the psychological test on Sanjay Roy, the main accused in the case as well. 2 doctors and the BJP leader have also been summoned in the case. And despite assurances by the Health Ministry for doctors' safety, the National Federation of Resident Doctors of AIIMS has decided to continue the indefinite protest, however, ensuring that health services are not disrupted. In fact,
बहुत ही करप्टेड आदमी है वो आरजीकर मेडिकल कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट लोगों को फेल कराना, टेंडर ऑर्डर देकर के 20% कमीशन लेना, मतलब आरजीकर में जो भी काम होता था, पोस्टिंग हो, ट्रांसफर हो, हाउस स्टाफशिप हो, सब जगह वो पैसा खाते थे। सिर्फ यही नहीं, गेस्ट हाउस में जूनियर जो स्टूडेंट है उन लोगों को बैठ करके शराब वगैरह पिलाते थे और उन स्टूडेंट लोगों से आंदोलन भी करवाते थे। मतलब एक माफिया राजा बोल सकते हैं। मैंने अपनी पूरे कैरियर में इतना गंदा इंसान नहीं देखा। और वो खुद उनके सिक्योरिटी के लिए 20 आदमी था प्लस 4 आदमी बाउंसर को लेके चलते। इन्फ्लुएंशियल पावरफुल है क्योंकि मैंने उनके अगेंस्ट में कंप्लेन किया था। मैं 2023 साल जुलाई में मैंने कंप्लेन किया था।
The Central Bureau of Investigation has called in the former principal of the RG Kar Medical Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, for the 3rd consecutive day for questioning and interrogation. Remember, this former principal has been under questioning by the CBI for the past 2 days and is, continuously being called in for questioning by the CBI. And what we also know is that the CBI has sent the Central Forensic Science Lab from Delhi has sent in a team to Kolkata for psychological tests of the primary and the main accused in the rape and murder case of this young doctor at this hospital. The main accused, Sanjay Roy, is going to, psychological tests will be conducted on the primary accused by this FSL team that has come to Kolkata. What we also know is that Kolkata police has issued notices to 2 doctors with respect to spreading fake information, misinformation with respect to the case regarding spreading rumors. These 2 doctors are Dr. Kunal Sarkar and Dr. Subarno Goswami. These 2 doctors have been also called by the Kolkata police this afternoon along with BJP leader Locket Chatterjee, as she has also been charged of, and the police are calling them over for questioning regarding spreading such misinformation regarding the case. Dr. Subarno Goswami is a popular name amongst the doctors in the state in Kolkata, and he has been allegedly been giving interviews regarding fake information with respect to the case. So this is what is major developments happening with respect to the case in Kolkata at RG Kar Medical Hospital. Also, meanwhile, the protest, the doctor strike continues not just in Kolkata but nationwide across. The strike continues as doctors continue, not just doctors but people continue to rage out regarding the safety of women at this point in the country across board. So this is what is happening currently here right now, and what is the main question remains is that will further arrests be made in the case. CBI is constantly questioning the former principal, however he's not been named in the FIR. Will his name be included in the FIR in the future? These are a lot of questions remain in front of the CBI right now that need to be investigated into. In Kolkata with camera person Ashwini Mehra, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.